For years, Apple has completely dominated the conversation around lightweight computing, and nowhere is that dominance more visible than in the MacBook Air, the machine that single-handedly defined what a thin and light laptop is supposed to feel like. Since the moment it was reintroduced as an Apple Silicon device, the Air has carried a simple promise on its shoulders that you could carry genuine pro-level power in a chassis so thin it seemed to disappear inside a backpack. And for a long time, that promise was enough. The M1 rewrote the rules, the M2 refined them, and the M4 generation proved that even the entry point of the Mac lineup could embarrass desktop-class hardware from just a few years earlier. But what they're about to pull off with the M6 MacBook Air is not a gentle step forward. This isn't just another annual refresh that bumps a chip and calls it a day. Every signal coming out of the supply chain, every leaked component photo, every whispered report from inside Apple's engineering teams points to something far more ambitious, a total reimagining of what the Air is allowed to be. If you have been on the fence about buying any Mac this year, prepare to have your expectations completely shattered, because the deeper you look into the MacBook Air M6 rumors, the more it becomes clear that Apple isn't just iterating. They are architecting an ecosystem shift, and the machine that will carry that shift into the hands of millions is about to be thinner, faster, and more intelligent than anyone thought possible. The deeper you dig, the more you realize that the MacBook Air M6 is the single most important laptop Apple will release this cycle. And this is every leak, every verified spec, every insider report, and every hidden feature we know so far. The story of the MacBook Air M6 begins not with the laptop itself, but with the silicon that will power it, because this is where Apple's most aggressive bet of the decade is hiding. The M6 chip is expected to be the first mainstream Apple silicon built on a brand new 2-nanometer fabrication process, and that single change is far more significant than the number might suggest. Think about what a move to 2-nanometer actually means. Smaller transistors, packed more tightly together, means more performance can be delivered in the same physical space while drawing dramatically less power. It is the kind of generational jump that doesn't happen every year, and it is the reason Apple is reportedly willing to accept higher manufacturing costs to secure every available wafer. The supply chain reports paint a clear picture. Apple has locked in massive production capacity with its foundry partners specifically for the 2-nanometer node, and the MacBook Air is expected to be one of the first devices to benefit. Why is this detail so critical? Because it changes the entire calculus of what the Air can deliver. A chip built on 2 nanometers can run faster, stay cooler, and sip battery at a rate that would have been unthinkable just a couple of generations ago. And when you combine all three of those advantages inside a chassis with no active cooling fan, the result is a machine that punches absurdly far above its weight class. The M6 isn't just an incremental bump over the M4. It is a complete architectural reset, and the MacBook Air is where the rest of the world will first experience it. But the chip is only half of the story, because the M6 MacBook Air is expected to deliver what Apple fans have been asking for since the Air returned to the spotlight: an OLED display. For years, the MacBook Air has shipped with a liquid retina LCD panel that, while bright and sharp, has always lagged behind the deeper blacks and richer contrast that OLED technology makes possible. Every leaked roadmap from Apple's display suppliers points to the MacBook Air making the long-awaited jump to OLED with the M6 generation, and the difference cannot be overstated. Imagine opening a laptop and seeing true blacks, not the washed-out gray of an LCD panel, but the kind of inky, infinite darkness you only get when each individual pixel can switch itself off completely. Now imagine what that does to a movie at night, to a photo of a star field, to the edges of text on a white page. The transition to OLED transforms the Air from a productivity workhorse into a screen you genuinely lose yourself in, and Apple is reportedly going further with it. Insiders suggest the M6 Air could support adaptive refresh ATESH, letting the display drop to a lower frequency when you're reading static text and ramp up when you're scrolling or watching motion, a feature that would dramatically extend battery life while making everything feel more fluid. This isn't just a minor increase in visual quality. It is a fundamental reimagining of what the Air's display can be, and combined with the 2nm chip, it makes the M6 the biggest display upgrade in the laptop's history. And that is where the design story comes in, because the MacBook Air M6 is expected to be thinner than any Air that has come before it. The current generation of the Air already borders on absurdly thin, but Apple reportedly believes there is room to go further, and the leaked CAD renders and component layouts all point in the same direction. A slimmer profile, a slightly reduced footprint, and a unibody aluminum chassis that looks as if it was carved from a single block of metal. How do you cram a 2nm chip, a larger OLED panel, and a bigger battery into a chassis that is even thinner than the current model? That is the engineering puzzle Apple has been working on, and every leaked internals diagram suggests they have found an answer that would have seemed impossible a few years ago. The M6 MacBook Air isn't just thinner for the sake of being thinner. It is thinner because the 2nm process lets Apple shrink the logic board dramatically, freeing up space that gets handed straight back to the battery and the thermal solution. Think about what that means in practice. You get a laptop that weighs less, slips into a bag without a second thought, and still delivers more performance and more battery life than the machine it replaces. This isn't just an update. It is a total reimagining of what an ultra-portable computer should be, and Apple is betting that the world is ready for it. The changes don't stop at the outside because the M6 MacBook Air is also expected to deliver a major jump in memory, and this is one of those quiet upgrades that transforms how the machine actually feels to use. Apple has been moving the baseline RAM of its Macs upward for a reason, and the M6 Air is reportedly set to standardize on a dramatically more generous starting configuration. The days of a laptop feeling sluggish the moment you open more than a handful of tabs could be ending, because the M6 Air is expected to ship with a base memory capacity that finally matches what modern multitasking demands. Combined with Apple's unified memory architecture, where the CPU and GPU share a single high-speed pool of RAM, this means the Air can handle far more demanding creative workloads without breaking a sweat. Video editing, large photo libraries, dozens of browser tabs, a full suite of productivity apps all running at once. This is the kind of machine that doesn't just keep up with you, it stays ahead of you. And because Apple Silicon's unified memory is so fast, the jump in capacity translates directly into real-world responsiveness that you can feel from the first minute you use it. This isn't just a spec sheet change. It is the difference between a laptop that feels like a tool and a laptop that feels like a partner. But the real headline of the M6 MacBook Air, the feature that could genuinely define this generation, is the leap forward in on-device intelligence. Apple has been quietly building an entire software and hardware stack around Apple Intelligence, and the M6 is expected to be the most capable mainstream chip for that purpose yet. The 2nm architecture doesn't just make the CPU faster, it supercharges the dedicated neural engine, the part of the chip specifically designed to run machine learning workloads. Insiders report that the M6 neural engine is a significant step up from the current generation, and that means the MacBook Air M6 will be able to run sophisticated AI features entirely on device, with no cloud, no latency, and no compromise on privacy.